All right, West Coast Swing Dancers, today I'm gonna bring you 3 moves that actually use the slot the wrong way, which is pretty fun. And the first one, I don't think I've taught on the channel before, but I dance it all the time socially. So let's start with that. It's called the tunnel turn, and it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's talk about it one more, show it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if I did that in basic timing, walk, walk, triple step, it would look like this. Walk, walk, triple step, right? So I need to get back to this foot for me and that foot for Miss Emily on an even count, a 2, 4, 6, and 8. So when I dance 1, 2, 3, I'm holding 3, 4. I'm gonna be on this foot on about count 5, so we can get back to 6 and we can anchor 7 and 8. Does that make sense? Now, a cool thing that I can do with this, the reason why I dance it a lot, is because I can accent the music. So if I'm on the 7, 8 of the music, let's say I did a sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, accent 2, 3, 4, anchor step, right? Now, if that's confusing to you, the 7, 8, 1, 2, you'll want to watch the #1 Key to Musicality video right here, and that will help you lock your patterns into the music. But moving on, that is the tunnel turn. Then we have around the world. I used to do this all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there's a couple different things we can do this. Let's talk about how I lead it. I like to pick up 2 hands first so I can control my partner through this. So I walk 1, 2, 1, 2. I tap 3, step 4. Now what if the follower triples? Can you triple for me, Emily? 1, 2, triple step. Even if she misses the first one and doesn't get the tap, we're still good to go. I take this hand up and over, we go tap, step, and anchor step, or you could sweep as the follower. So the next one, Miss Emily will sweep and I'll do the triple. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So with that sweep, now there's a cool thing. If you get a good feel through this, you can go around the world twice. This is what I mean by that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, which might be the longest pattern I think I've taught on the channel.
It's pretty long.
So how would I do that? It comes down to a lead on this side. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On this 8, I want to send this hand forward so Emily is prepped with her right side forward and my left side forward. That way, when I pull this hand around, I can get her to step through. Does that make sense? So we need this connection here as we step forward. There's a little bit of a feed. We're both connected to this. Even if we tripled through this triple step, I'm connecting her. Now it's that marionette thing again where I'm controlling this foot. Tap, step, around the corner. Cool? Third one, and I'm going to give you a cool variation of this one, is like a paseo pattern, or Emily calls it the cha-cha pattern, where I use this part of the slot this way. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Here's the easiest version of that. If you're just getting a new follower through this, it's just 6 counts. Can I get her to go this way? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we can anchor step right there, right? If I can do that, then I can over-rotate the anchor. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's that lead forward. 5 and 6. There's that lead forward again. Now we triple step with a turn, triple step, and then we're back to our anchor step. So it's the extension of this lead through on both sides. So this is why, Brian B. technique tip, if we let go of our hands and we rotate our bodies, we should be connected to that hand. So even though in West Coast we talk about 2 connections, forward and back, I believe there's a third one that's rotational right through here. The rotational, we're going to get back to this paseo, but the rotational one also works right here as we go through the tunnel turn, right? So as I'm loading this hand up, it's not a pure forward and back. There's a rotational aspect to it that helps me get through. As we get more advanced, we have more tools. Back to the paseo. So this is the next variation. Boom, 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 triple step, anchor step. So how the heck, by the way, shout out to my good friend Jason Miklik, who used to do this pattern a lot.
So fun.
So if we count it, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I keep both hands, right? Then I hop for like and 7. I'm controlling her. She can feel my body. And 7. And at this point, I'm just like, if I get to this, I'm good. 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, right? Now, going back to the tunnel turn, sometimes I might need to spend more time there, and that's what's cool about accenting the music. You could go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, even number, triple step, right? So this is where we come back to. You want to be on the normal foot at 2, 4, 6, and 8. What I mean by that is if I did a sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'd be on that foot on 4, so I want to come back to that foot on 4. So when I do this, we go walk, walk, that's 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, then we go 9 and 10, 9 and 10, even number, 11 and 12, even number, and we're off to the races. Now, if you want to know how all these patterns get put together and how a push becomes a crazy move, you'll want to download our pattern tree chart. It's the ultimate guide to West Coast swing patterns. It's like a choose your own adventure. You push sugar push, and it will open up all the sugar push patterns all the way down to the coolest one. You can download that free. And if you want to see another video with 5 patterns I bet you don't know, watch this video here.